Good afternoon. Yes, it's Thursday. I'm headed up in an impromptu meeting with my buddies. There are other ham radio operators. We meet at, believe it or not, El Paso. We're meeting at the big El Paso today. I'm going to go by and pick up Richard, and then we're heading over there. But the whole idea of this trip up to Hendersonville is I'm going to trade vehicles. I'm going to trade the Model Y with his Model 3 Performance that went and did Pikes Peak. And I'm going to take it home today, clean it up, and I've got that EV show in Asheville. So let's hit the road. 80% to start. Just coming into the town of Columbus here now. Nice day. It's 75 degrees outside. I don't know what the high is going to be, but it's starting to cool off a little bit here. We're up on the Interstate 26 here now. Traffic's light. I'm not going to jinx myself by saying that it's missing the T's, like this one here on the right side, but it's a good thing. It just looks like cars today. Yeah, the trees are starting to turn a little bit here. You can tell by the leaves starting to turn upside down. As they start drying out, they're going to change colors here. Won't be too long now, another couple of weeks. I'm off the interstate here now and on autopilot, of course, and heading to Richard's. Pick him up and then we're heading over to the restaurant. Say hi, Richard.
How you doing, guys?
Yep.
Good to see you.
We're all going to the ham meeting today. Looks like there'll be 4 of us, so that'll be good. Trying to get our buddy Bob to come, but I'm not sure if he's going to make it or not. Just around the corner from El Paso now. We're on Highway 176, also called Asheville Highway. All right, this is Charlie. Say hi, Charlie.
Hi.
What you got there? Burrito. Looks
Burrito
good.
El Paso.
Awesome. How about you, Richard? You got some fish tacos?
Got some fish tacos. They look
Are you
good.
hungry?
Yes, I am.
Oh, good. And I have, guess what? Enchilada verde, but it looks good. Yep, another awesome meal here at El Paso. Got to visit with Charlie and Richard, and it was a good day. Back to Richard's house now. Just dropping Richard off here. Got back to his house at 62%. Looking good so far. Gonna pick up the Model 3 here in a few and head home. I'm heading home now. I'm in the Model 3 Performance and heading that way. This is a 2018 Model 3 Performance. This is the same car that won the exhibition class in 2020, we did it all through user support here. And Zach and Jesse from Now You Know channel, Blake Fuller was the driver, and it's now Richard's car here. So we're heading up to the National Drive Electric Week event tomorrow. I'll be up there at 11 o'clock. If you're in the Asheville area and you'd like to see the Pikes Peak car firsthand, come on by, check it out. Yep, just heading home here now on Interstate 26. Boy, Model 3 Performance is the car to drive. Let me tell you what. Especially this one. It's got 30-some thousand miles, winning Pikes Peak, and then being able to drive it every day in a 4-door family car version. It's great. Just about home here now in the Model 3 of Richard's. Should be a good day tomorrow. I'm gonna go and wash it. He lives on a dirt road. Here it is, 2018 Performance Model 3. It is the fastest Tesla up Pikes Peak in 2020, beating its class against many fossil fuel cars, including another Tesla Model 3. It is a stock Model 3. We changed the tires and wheels, changed the brake fluid, and the brakes is the only thing we could do to it. We put a roll cage in it, and our driver, Blake Fuller, drove it to a win up Pikes Peak in 2020. We removed the interior piece by piece. We replaced it with a roll cage, a driver's seat, where we drove the car up Pikes Peak. After the race, we restored the Model 3 to its original condition. We left all of the stuff on the outside so you could still tell that it was a race car, and the race car that beat Pikes Peak in 2020 for our class. Tomorrow is October 1st. I'll be there with the Model 3 here. I'll be available to talk, ask questions, whatever you have. Maybe just come by and say hi if you like. I'll be there from 11 to 2 p.m. So if you're in the area of Asheville, North Carolina, stop by AB Tech between 11 and 2. It's the National Drive Electric Week event here in Asheville. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the morning, and take care.